Yes, babe. Just this why I say, as big man, I need to go sit down with him, apologize to him for what happened. And we take it from there.
You just got apologize to him, sir. So tell me, when you develop that conscience there, you got apologize to him.
And I said that, but I mean, we just decide to let go the bad vibes. Is it, we are man. A man, we don't care about things so. Women carry grudges, not us.
Me know that look upon your face, you know, Carlton Wallace. You're always up to something.
Oh well, you should know, Bubbles. I mean, you work with an agency and you're always up to something. By the way, how is my ex? What's her name? Agent.
See? And this me I talk about, you know, George. You're up to something, you know. I'm not just a link up here with you, Mr. Wallace.
Believe me, Chen, it's totally innocent. We just as two grown men and mend bridges, and I see how best we can collaborate, you know, towards positive things.
Speaking of collaboration, you wouldn't have anything to do with what one up Hinter.
Well, Bubbles, to be honest, it's because of the sensitivity of the business that I'm in. We tend to keep our projects private. You understand that, right?
I understand, you know, George. But I just ask you to be more careful. You have to bear in mind Mr. Mullins got on a limb here, you know.
That's why me a branch off and a more positive direction.
Alright, Mr. Wallace. May I hear you? Just remember this. I have my eye on you.
So tell me, you like what you see? I've been going to the gym, losing some weight.
Alright, George. Do your thing. Just know someday you watch you are going.
Yeah, so we can talk.
We'll meet him up.
There's a silent mean consent, so.
Yeah? What you drinking?
You are nice you.
All right, good.
Something stinking in Denmark. And it's not the fish.
Get more serious than I think.
Where you find out so far?
The serious part is I'm mining upon the project up there.
Tell you when me hear. Yo, when my link up there, you know, your name are the first name the man said call.
So here's the theory we have, King. It's the boy Radcliffe. When me and him they go in a business together, we just show him some permits we might have. I think somehow, either by the stop of him phone, him get a copy. And then them forge it. So them do some fake documents up there. But better than that, them have one politician that work with them. That's the only way them can pull that off.
You know we can't allow this just like that. One, we can't allow them to tarnish your name. And more importantly, we can't allow them like a poor people up the illness of lose them whole life savings. Them like a nest egg.
Alright, King. Look at them trick the people them and take on them title. And that only could have happened if a politician involved. And I get a name to the politician.
What you say? Well, let me tell you something. You see, any politician, me find out say, I back them boy, yeah. A judgment. Mr. Wallace.
Yeah, man. Yeah, King. Oh, boy. I tell you, King.
Yeah, because we cannot allow this thing to happen. Yeah, we're all right, baby.
Alright, look here. Remember me that I said you have to deal with this very strategically. Now, me have something me have to take care of before we can move any further. And I have to get back the documents there with my name on it. And my credibility that they on the line. So, we have to deal with that first. Then, we'll move to phase 2.
All right, watch your style. Before, in the interim, while you're dealing with getting back the papers, ensure to post a notification to the paper that you have severed ties. You, Carls and Wallace, have nothing to do with any business transaction that involves this person or that person.
Yeah,
You understand?
You're right, you're right.
Do what you do. Me there, I watch and I wait.
That's how it was.
Yeah, I'm getting anxious. Hey, I hope you ladies are alright. Yeah, man, today after.
Well, King,
Blessings.
Queen, and drink.
Oh. So, ladies, what to honor you? Come on, we have a drink.